Hello everyone, this is the chapter 2nd, that is logic gates and Boolean algebra, and in this video we are going to see the universal gate, that is NOR gate. That means how we can construct any other gates or any logic circuitry using.
We are going to construct all other gates using NOR only. So let's start with our first gate, that is NOT gate using NOR only. So again, the NOT gate have only one input. If we combine both inputs of a NOR gate and apply one input to this two inputs A and B, so at the output what we can get? So let's see. According to this figure, if we connect the two inputs or both inputs of a NOR gate, we can say that inputs A equal to B, that is nothing but only A. So the output Y is equal to A or B complement. This is nothing but the output of a NOR gate. So we can write, if this input is A equal to B, so we can write this as A or A complement. So according to a OR law, A plus A is nothing but A. So we can write that is A complement. So this is the expression for NOT gate. So in this way we can construct a NOT gate using NOR only. Second thing, we can construct OR gate using NOR only. So here the output expression for OR is nothing but A plus B, or we can read it as A or B. So this is nothing but the expression for OR gate. Take double inversion. Of RHS, what we will get? Y equal to A plus B double complement. And we know that according to double complement law, it is equal to A plus B. So this is the required expression to construct OR gate using NOR. So we have to use one NOR gate and one NOT gate at the output to construct this expression. So here we get at the output of, we have to use NOR gate. So at the output of a NOR gate we get A or B complement. For this upper complement we have to use one NOT gate at the output. So we are using NOT gate using NOR at the output. So we get Y equal to A or B double complement. So that is nothing but A or B. So in this way we can construct OR gate using NOR only. Now the third gate that we can construct using NOR gate is AND gate. AND gate using NOR only. So what is the expression of AND gate? That is A and B. This is the expression for AND. Okay, this is for AND gate. Now take double inversion of RHS, inversion of RHS. What we will get? Y equal to A and B double complement. So we can apply to, we have to convert this AND sign into OR this NAND into NOR. So we have to apply De Morgan's theorem. So apply De Morgan's theorem. To this RHS. So here we get A complement plus B complement whole complement. So this is the required expression for the AND gate using to construct using NOR only. So we can build the logical diagram, or we can construct this gate using this expression as we need two complements of this inputs A and B. So we require two NOT gates using NOR. So here we are using two NOT gate using NOR to get a complement of inputs A and B. So here we get A complement, here we get B complement, and then this is nothing but the NOR operation. So connect one NOR gate at the output. So here we get A complement plus B complement whole complement. So in this way we can construct a AND gate using NOR only. Now the fourth gate that we can construct using NOR is a NAND. NAND gate that can be constructed using NOR only. Now what is the expression for NAND? Y equal to A and B complement. So this is the expression for NAND. This is the expression for NAND. So here to convert this sign into OR, apply De Morgan's theorem. To RHS. So we get here A complement or B complement. Now take double inversion. Of this RHS. So we will get Y equal to A complement plus B complement and double complement. So this is the required expression to construct a NAND gate using NOR only. So here we can construct this gate using complement. So we are using two NOT gate at the input to get the complements of this inputs A and B. So here we get A complement, here we get B complement. Now here is nothing but the NOR operation. So connect a NOR gate at the output. So here we get A complement or B complement whole complement. To get this outer complement, again we have to use one NOT gate. So here we get at the output A complement, B complement, it's double complement. So that is nothing but A and B complement. So in this way we can construct a NAND gate using NOR only. Now the fifth gate that we can construct using NOR is XOR gate. Fifth gate, that is XOR using NOR only. So what is the expression for XOR gate? So we can write the expression for XOR gate that is A XOR B. So that is nothing but the A bar B plus A B bar. So let X be equal to A bar B and Z be equal to A B bar. So we can rewrite this equation as X plus Y. Okay. So take double inversion. Inversion of RHS. We get Y equal to X plus Y double complement. So apply De Morgan's theorem to this inner complement. We get X complement into Y complement in this upper complement. Put the values or the terms for X and Y. So we can write A bar B complement into A B bar A B bar complement and this outer complement. Okay. Now again we have to convert all these AND signs into OR sign because we have to use the NOR gate. So apply De Morgan's theorem to this two terms for this inner complements. So we can write here A double complement plus B complement into A complement plus B double complement and this outer complement as it is. So according to double inversion law, we can write that is A plus B bar into A bar plus B whole complement. So we have converting this AND into OR. Now we have to convert this AND into OR. So apply De Morgan's theorem to this complement. So we can write here A plus B bar complement plus A bar plus B complement. So in this way we have converted all the AND signs into OR after taking double inversion. Inversion of RHS. So we get here Y equal to A plus B bar complement plus A bar plus B complement and the double complement. So this is the required expression for XOR gate using NOR only. So we can construct this XOR gate using NOR. So we have to first construct this first term. So here input A, we have to perform the NOR operation between the input A and a complemented input B. So here A and here we get the complemented input B and we have to apply NOR gate. So we get here B complement. So we get at the output A plus B complement. So here we get the first term. Now for the second term, now we required complement of input A. So we are using NOR gate. Now to get the NOR operation between these two input, we are using one NOR gate. So here we get A bar plus B complement. So these two terms we have getting. So we have to use for this NOR operation, we have to use one NOR gate at the output. So here we get the terms A plus B bar plus A bar B complement and this complement. So to get this outer complement, we have to use one NOT gate at the output. So here we get the expression y equal to a plus b bar complement plus a bar plus b complement double complement. So here at the output we get the required expression or the output expression for the XOR gate. So in this way you can construct XOR gate using NOR only. Now the XNOR gate using, so the sixth gate which can be constructed using NOR is XNOR. So what is the expression for it? So we can write this as a bar b bar plus ab. So this is the expression for XNOR. Okay, this is the expression for XNOR. So take double inversion. Of RHS, then we get y equal to a bar b bar plus ab double complement. Let x be equal to a bar b bar and z equal to ab. So we get y equal to this x plus z double complement. Apply De Morgan's theorem. So here after application of a De Morgan's theorem we get x complement plus z complement and this outer complement. So put the values of x and y. So we get a bar b bar complement, so here AND operation, and ab complement. Now apply the De Morgan's theorem to this individual two terms. So we get a bar a double complement plus b double complement into a bar plus b bar and this outer complement, it remains as it is. So according to the OR law or a double inversion law, so here we can write y equal to a plus b into a bar plus b bar and this outer complement. Okay, so to convert this NAND operation into NOR, we have to use again De Morgan's theorem. So apply De Morgan's theorem. So we get y equal to a or b complement plus a complement b complement its complement. So here we have to convert this OR into NOR. So take double inversion. Of RHS. So we get y equal to a plus b complement plus a complement plus b complement and the double complement of this two terms. So this is the required expression to construct a XNOR gate using NOR only. So we can construct, so here we required for the second term two complements or the complements of this inputs, and here uncomplemented inputs we require. So we can use two NOR gate as a NOT gate to get the complements of inputs, that is A bar and B bar. So here NOR operation is performed on these two input. So here we get A bar plus B bar complement. So here we get the second term, and for first term, so here we require uncomplemented variables. So here we are taking A, here B, and there is a NOR operation between these two terms. So here A, here B. So at the output we get A not B. Now there is a NOR operation between these two terms. So we are using the NOR, and for outer complement again here we are using the NOT gate at the output. So we get A plus B complement plus A bar plus B bar complement and double complement. So this is the XNOR gate using NOR only.